Hey guys, it's Rita. There's no intro on this video because I'm currently working on a new one. So I do have a farmhouse fall DIY for you today, and it's really cute and simple. So let's get right to it. I'll be starting with this foam pumpkin that I had on hand, not sure where I got it. I've already cut the top out. I'm going to use some white spray paint and glitter. So here it is after I have spray painted and put some glitter on it. And now I'll just be placing some florals and raffia in it to decorate it. I'll also just take the top of the pumpkin and place it inside in the event that I need it later for another project. And I'll just be using various florals from the Dollar Tree. This is such a simple and easy project to do, and it just adds so much to your fall decor. All of these florals I did get at the Dollar Tree, and they have some really pretty florals for the fall season this year. As you see in this one, I am not cutting the picks apart. I'm simply pulling them around and arranging them. I'll be using one bundle of this raffia just to give it something extra. And as you can see, using this, it just gives something else for the eye to be drawn to. And now I'll display this for you. And here's the final project, guys. I have it sitting on that Thrift It to Gift It table that I made for my son, who hasn't come and picked it up yet. But I did just put a Dollar Tree scarf on there as a runner, just to break up that white a little bit between the table and the pumpkin. But I think this turned out super cute for a fall decor item. I hope you did enjoy watching this video today, and of course I have much more fall decor to come, so keep watching. And if you are a subscriber, I do thank you for your continued support. If you're not, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of all upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video.